All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you, man. You hearing that grinding noise, or you sound like your engine is riding on your cradle because, you know, motor mounts are worn or things like that. First of all, take a good look at your engine. If it's leaning some to the left like that, chances are your front motor mount is wore completely out. Now you got three mounts, engine mounts on the front of this car. You got an upper mount right here, and you got a center mount that's real hard to get to. You almost have to remove the timing, everything to do that. And you got a lower engine mount, which I can show you, I think, right here. Now, in the event you want to check the center mount, here's a quick way to check the center mount to see if it's worn out, or if it's the reason why your engine sound like this thing got a cover on it right here. So what we're gonna do is grab a pair of pliers and grab this cover and pull it out. Now that one, my friend, is a good mount because it's right dead center in the hole. So that's not your problem if you're now you could have a lower mount that's bad, but I'm gonna show you a quick way to test or to check your center mount. Now I need to show you a picture of one that's bad so you can compare the two. Now keep in mind, this is a good one because it's dead center. The bolt is dead center to the hole. Now here's how it would look if it was completely worn out, bad side engine mount, and you will eventually have to replace it. It will look something like this. So keep in mind, that's a proper, good, quick way to check your motor mounts visually, because sometimes you want to visually see if your engine mount is worn. The top one and the bottom one can easily be visually inspected. It's just the center mount is a little tricky. You just simply get this cover off here and you can look at it visually. You can tell if it's worn out that way. Now, there's 4 mounts total on this car. The other one is the transmission mount, which is down up in the center of here. It hardly ever go out because it's not under any kind of heavy load, you know, so to speak. These 3 over here will go out quick, but in the event that you have to do that side mount, like I say, you might as well do a timing belt and a water pump while you're in there, because you pretty much gonna have to remove, you know, most of that stuff, man. So that's all I have, man. I want to keep this quick, man. The proper way to check your center motor mount on a PT Cruiser. All right, I'll see you on the next video.